If you think of the most valuable piece of real estate in the world, what do you think it is? Let me know in the comments down below. Most people probably think it's a penthouse in New York or a villa in Italy. But in reality, it might actually just be a short string of letters like Tesla.com. When Elon Musk started Tesla, he had to pay $11 million just for those words, Tesla.com. A guy had had it for 24 years, not thinking, oh, this is worth anything, sold it for $11 million. And these domain names, these are a $360 billion asset class. People pay tons of money just for these domain names. And I want to look today at a new technology. It's called Doma that allows regular people, you and me, to be part of this asset class. And again, these domain names are worth a lot of money because they drive a lot of traffic. A lot of people go there. Business.com sold for $345 million. Voice.com sold for $30 million. I mean, these aren't just internet addresses. They are real world assets. But kind of like real estate, if you are wanting to invest in these domain names that are going to appreciate in value, a lot of times you need a lot of capital up front. Most people aren't lucky enough to buy Tesla.com for $12 and then sell it for $11 million. But that's where Doma Protocol comes in. So it allows you to buy a fractional share of a domain name. So you can invest in a domain name along with other people and get a return from it. And I love this because this is, again, why I think crypto is useful. There's so much junk in crypto. There's so much in crypto that's doing nothing. It's just buy my token and hopefully the price will go up. That's what most of the crypto market is right now. But I love things like Doma that is actually using crypto for a use case. They're taking high value domain names and fractionalizing them. So you don't have to buy the whole domain name. You can buy a part of it. Then as that domain name increases in value, you get a return out of that. So instead of buying the whole building, you're buying a brick, and those are the crypto tokens. Those are the bricks in the building. And those bricks represent a real legal share in that domain name. And again, this is different than most crypto where you're just hoping the token goes up. This is buying a real asset, and real assets do appreciate. So the first one they're doing is DPIN.AI. And again, for tech people, DPIN might not mean a lot, but it stands for decentralized physical infrastructure. It's all the rage right now in tech. Obviously, .ai is big right now. I mean, this is kind of like owning electriccars.com back before Tesla, when Tesla was getting going. And when you buy a domain name, it's not just a single domain name. There's subdomain names. So you can think of the domain name as like the big building, and then the subdomains are like, the penthouses. I'm bad at illustrations. But you can sell data.DPIN.AI or GPU.DPIN.AI. Each of those becomes a sellable asset. That as demand, as DPIN becomes more of a household word. 10 years ago, AI was not really, people knew what it was, but it wasn't really on our minds. Well, DPIN is kind of in that position right now. I predict, not financial advice, but I predict DPIN is going to be a household name. People are going to know what DPIN. So, and DPIN.AI is launching. It's 22 hours from when I'm recording. So I'm going to try to get this out as quick as possible so you can be a part of that. But you can log in with your crypto wallet. If you're not familiar with crypto wallets, log in with your email or your Google account. They make it pretty easy even for non-crypto people. Then you add some funds to the Doma chain, buy a piece of DPIN.AI, and then get notified of the launch here in about 22 hours. So, and here's my challenge to you. Even if you don't want to get involved, you're like, this is above my head, above my pay grade, I don't know what you're talking about. At least start to learn about it, okay? Part of what I want this video to be is just education. Start learning what DPIN is. Go to DPIN.AI when it launches. Learn about it. Learn about domain names. Think about, hey, would owning a domain name be good for my future? Even if you don't have money to invest, in a domain name or whatever, knowledge is basically free. Go on ChatGPT and just say, tell me about DPIN. Explain it to me like I'm a 7-year-old. And then when you don't understand that, say, explain it to me like I'm a 5-year-old. This technology is coming whether you like it or not. So learn about crypto, learn about AI, learn about DPIN, and I'm here to help how I can as we're going on this journey. So links all down below. Learn more about Doma. Take part in the DPIN launch coming here quickly. If you want to check out the AI Income Builders Club, where I walk through different AI side hustles you can start. And again, the goal of all this is not to just get super rich, buy a yacht. Honestly, luxury items are way overrated. I bought a hot tub. It's the American dream. I have a hot tub. I've made it. And it broke. You had to keep putting chemicals in that were expensive. It cost money to heat. And eventually now it's a dead hot tub sitting on my back porch that we never use. But we want to make money to provide for our families, help those in need. So again, here to do what I can on this journey. So appreciate you guys very much. Hope you had a good Christmas. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.